All right, almost there. All right, here we go. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Simple Forex Setup Show, where I will be going through 10 currency pairs, and I'll be looking at the trade setups on a 4-hour entry, H4 entry. So let's get my screen sharing. Hi, Derek. Hi, Serene. Hi, Sue. Hi, everyone that's just joined. If you're live, feel free to pop in your questions into the chat box, and I will answer as we go along or at the end, depending on the type of question. Hi. All right, let's get going. My first currency pair that I'll be looking at is GBPUSD. Hi, Edmund. I'm looking at short again on this currency pair. It hasn't really gone far since I probably shorted it a couple of weeks ago. But still it's in the downtrend, so still looking for a short. Any pullback up to the trend line or to the top of the range there, and then I would be looking for a reversal, looking to short on GBPUSD. Next currency pair I'll be looking at is EURUSD. EURUSD, I'm also looking at short. Has broken out of that little what I call a fish head pattern, so now looking at any pullback and looking for short. This may not pull back very hard. If it keeps flowing down, then perhaps I will just enter in as a continuation of that trend. So we will see if there is any pullback to the that blue dotted line that I've got on the screen, then that would be great. Let's see what that price action looks like in a couple of hours. Next currency pair I'm looking at is AUDUSD, and AUDUSD I'm looking at long. So it is still in that upward pattern. We did have some pullback down after the news on Tuesday, I think it was yesterday. So if the price starts to reverse, then looking for long. Otherwise would like for it to pull back further down, and then definitely looking for a reversal and looking for long then, or alternatively also to the bottom of that range there. So let's see how far it gets, but looking for long at this point in time. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPJPY. GBPJPY also still looking at long here. So we're still in that upward pattern. If there is a pullback, possibly down to, let's say, this level here would be good, or at the top here as well is probably okay. Down there, and then looking for a reversal and looking for long. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURJPY. The EURJPY I'm also looking at long. On the daily, it has had a bit of a pullback down to the 10 EMA. So looking to see if there is a reversal around this area, or a couple of closes here above, then I would be looking at a long opportunity. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. USDJPY also looking at long still in that upward trend. This one is quite close to back at the top there, so I'll be quite careful to see in case there is a reversal and making it a double top. Otherwise, if there is a pullback down to the bottom of the range, or the previous lows, or to the trend line, then looking for long again. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDCAD, and USDCAD I'm looking at short because the trend is still down. However, we have had on the daily a couple of pushbacks, tests down below and got rejected. So there is a potential that this could be turning around. So let's just wait and see if there is a reversal at the top, around there, around where it is now is fine too. So any reversal would still look for short. Otherwise, yeah, it might take a little while to set up for actual change of trade direction, but so at the moment still short for the shorter term time frame, next couple of days. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURAUD. EURAUD still looking at short. So in terms of this, sometimes the currency does not pull back like it did last week. So I'm looking for the pullback, but if we do not get it and there is a pullback, say just to the 10 EMA, or just starts to reverse, that's okay too. So we're looking to go short on EURAUD still as well this week. Next currency pair is EURGBP. So EURGBP has now had that price action going down. So we are at the bottom, or getting towards the bottom of the channel, which is that weekly channel that's been there for quite some time. So I am not looking to trade that short now. I'm not sure how much distance it has. It might even start to come off shortly. So I am going to wait. I'm going to wait until the price either goes to the bottom or really starts to reverse, and then I would be looking for a long. In that case, it may not set up anytime soon, maybe next week. It depends how quickly that that happens. But yeah, so nothing on this at the moment until either further pullback down to the bottom of the channel, or a real reversal starting to happen, something like this, where there's a number of bars going sideways and then trending up. And the last currency pair I'm looking at is GBPCAD. So GBPCAD, I'm still looking for short. It is still in the downtrend. If there is any pullback up to the top of that range, or to the trend line, would be great. So anywhere there, and then I would be looking to short from there. So that is it for this week. If you have any questions, please pop them in the chat. Hello to anyone that has joined. Hi, Ignatius, Cheryl. Hi, Anne. Good to see you. Hi, Sue. Hello, Vincent and Wei. Good to have you. If there are no questions, let me just check the questions today. Hi, everyone. So yeah, otherwise during the week, I'm going to post the trades that I take in my Telegram channel. I'll pop the link there now. If you're not part of it yet, you can join in. The first month is free for you to try, and then you can decide if that's for you or not. I usually post a few trades a week, usually on the Wednesdays, Thursdays, and any trade management as well. So when I move the stop loss to trailing stop or break even, things like that. Alrighty, excellent. If there's no questions, then I will say thank you very much. Have a lovely week trading. Hope it's profitable, and I will see you again next Wednesday, 12 p.m. Singapore time. Thank you. Bye for now.